Hi, welcome to Amapiano Zone UK. Today I'm going to show you 3 good tips of making your Amapiano transitions more seamless and smooth. And I'm going to include 2 more bonus tips towards the end of the video that you can use in Amapiano or in any other genre of music of your choice. So stay tuned and like and subscribe for more content. Yep, so I should be visible now. So this is just a project that I've done a while ago. It's as you can see, it's right here in front of you. Yeah, so this is a project I did a while ago. So I'm just gonna run through it and quickly show you which tips that I use. So I'm going to run through some of the things that I did. Automations. So automate a lot of your pads. Automate them the cutoff so that the sound becomes it's like it washes in. So for example, with this particular pad. So definitely use the cutoff to sort of build it up, especially if you have like a simple sound like this one. It's just basically 2 notes on top of each other. So in Amapiano, we generally, a lot of us use this sample. So use this sample in tandem with other sounds as well. That I use drum loops to help me build up into another section of the song. Like a lot of us are familiar with this particular one. So by using this particular kind of sample, which it's quite common in Amapiano, I create like a cool transition that you can also try and use in your tracks. Another thing we can also do is we can use different parameters we find inside our synths. Yes, I was using the sync plug from Flex, and I basically automated some of these particular parameters within the plugin. So I had the sound start quite far back, and then it just builds up. As we get towards the drop, I get more effects on it, make it a bit wider, and put a cutoff to it just to hide it. Another way as well, as you know, is to use gross beat. So that's also something else you can do to really make your sound stand out. As well, another trick which I want to show you as well is using delay. Delay is always gonna be one of the best things you can use in house music. So for example, I use the delay just to make the sound, is to give it a bit more movement. So I use delay. Another powerful way as well is when you now move on to the other sections of your song, you can use the other different options. Like for example, this is my bridge basically in /field. Yeah, I just wanted to point out one thing I also do is I would recommend this to everyone. Try to find samples that you can use within your song. It's not common in Amapiano, but sometimes it gives a nice kind of feel to the song. Like in this particular song, in my bridge, I decided to do something different, and I found this sample. I used a Naruto sample.
Wake up to reality. Nothing ever goes as planned in this accursed world. The longer you live, the more you will realize that the only things that truly exist in this reality are merely pain, suffering, and futility. Listen, everywhere you look in this world, wherever there is light, there will always be shadows to be found as well. As long as there is a concept of victors, the vanquished will also exist. The selfish intent of wanting to preserve peace initiates wars, and hatred is born in order to protect love. There are nexuses, causal relationships that cannot be separated. I want to sever the fate of this world. A world of only victors. A world of only peace. A world of only love. I will create such a world. I am the ghost of the Uchiha.
Oh yes, I just wanted to point out another good sound that you can use. You want to find samples or effects that are deep. Yes, you want to find also samples like these as well. And then I also use some of these as well. This is the build up. And I also reversed it. It's also another way in which you can really use to build up your tracks. And then finally as well, make sure you use a lot of breaks. So
Create such a world. I am the ghost of the Uchiha.
these probably apply to many different genres, but within Amapiano at this particular point in time, there are many things you can try. There are many things you can do. So I hope you'll be able to try them. If you'd like to see more different things, please just let me know in the comments what you'd like to see. Just send something down there and let me know, and I should be able to work on it, and we can both enjoy and have a good time together. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps, and I appreciate all the time you spend watching up to this point, and I'd like to say cheers.